Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a specific accessory designed to enhance the experience with HISINGY's Firefly Smart and Firefly FPV drones. This is the dedicated camera module for those models, and it brings some interesting features to the table for pilots looking to get the most out of their flight time. Right off the bat, the compatibility is key here. This camera is specifically engineered to work seamlessly with the HISINGY Firefly Smart and Firefly FPV drones, ensuring that users of these particular models have a direct upgrade path or replacement option that is guaranteed to fit and function as intended. It's not a generic camera, but one built for this ecosystem. One of the standout aspects highlighted is the design. It's described as having a reasonable design that makes it easy to remove and install. This is a significant plus for drone users. Whether needing to swap cameras, perform maintenance, or simply store the drone compactly, the ease of attachment and detachment means less hassle and more flying time. It allows pilots to quickly integrate the camera and get airborne, or remove it just as easily. Adding to the user-friendly nature is the modular design. The parts are fully detachable, which simplifies both assembly and maintenance. If a component needs attention or replacement, the modularity means it's often a straightforward process, potentially saving time and effort compared to more integrated, less accessible designs. This modularity also ties into the idea of the HISINGY DIY ecology world, suggesting that users might have flexibility in how they interact with their drone's components. Performance-wise, two critical factors for any drone camera, especially for FPV, are weight and video delay. This camera boasts a lightweight design, coming in at just 0.4 ounces. A lighter camera contributes to the overall agility and flight time of the drone. Less weight means the motors work less hard, potentially extending battery life and allowing for more dynamic maneuvers. Coupled with this is low video delay. For FPV flying, minimal delay between what the camera sees and what the pilot sees is absolutely crucial for responsive and safe control, particularly when flying at speed or navigating obstacles. The combination of lightweight and low delay promises a smooth and responsive flight experience. The camera connects using 2.4G technology, which is a standard frequency for many drone control systems and video transmission links, suggesting reliable connectivity within typical operating ranges. It comes in a sleek black color and has compact dimensions, measuring 3.5 inches in length, 5 inches in width, and 0.6 inches in height, making it a relatively low-profile addition to the drone. It's worth noting that batteries are not included, as it likely draws power directly from the drone itself. Finally, the customer service aspect is mentioned, with 24-hour tech support available for any queries regarding spare parts or technical issues. This level of support can be reassuring for users, knowing that assistance is readily available if they encounter problems or need help with maintenance or parts. Overall, this camera module appears to be a well-thought-out accessory for HISINGY Firefly Smart and FPV drone owners, focusing on ease of use, performance benefits like low weight and delay, and solid support. It seems designed to integrate smoothly and enhance the flying experience for compatible models.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.